to you my presentation entitled A Multiple Stakeholder Perspective of the Television Advertising Process in Malaysia. Right. This is I'll give you a preview of the points I'll be telling you. First one is basically I'll be talking a bit about communication and nation building, going on to television advertising, corporate advertising, the ADEX, stakeholder theory, responsible advertising, a multiple stakeholder perspective, research methodology, key research findings, discussion, and conclusion. Now, communication plays a big role in nation building, and Taylor and Kent, 2006, mentioned around the lines of national identity and so forth. The whole idea that communication actually brings a nation together is basically highlighted in few literature. And in Malaysia, television commercials are expected to not only sell products, they also have to carry social messages. They are supposed to, according to the government of Malaysia, tell us how to behave, right, in the formation of a civil society. So bad behavior should never be highlighted or never be shown on television, basically through the ads. And you can actually complain if you see any advertisements which show bad behavior or things which are offensive, you feel, to the Malaysian population as well as the other non-Malaysian population in Malaysia. Now, television advertising is really powerful because it makes a strong visual and emotional impact. There's sound, there's motion, there's color, and so forth. So it affects, it has the capability and the ability to affect people in all sorts of ways. It is very powerful, it's very entertaining, right? It can be irritating as well, so it impacts us in many ways. And television advertising actually affects audiences, and there are two studies which I've put here which show that for Harrisberger et al., 2010, food television advertising increases snack consumption and may contribute to obesity in children. So can you imagine that? We're very sensitive about what happens to our children, what they watch, the fact that